Do you own one of these pull behind lawn sweeps? Is it not working like it used to? Are the brushes worn out? The bristles missing? Well, I'm Jason Canarum, and my parents own one of these, and I'm going to attempt to fix it. So first I need to figure out what's going on here. So I'm going to fold it up and give it a gander. It appears the only thing holding these brushes on are two 1/2-inch bolts. Let's get these things opened up and hopefully they fit. It looks like we're in luck. In order to remove these brushes, all you really need to do is loosen up these nuts and bolts. The nut and bolt both are 1/2-inch. There is no reason to remove the nut completely. All that is necessary is you loosen the clamp. And now that I've finally loosened the clamp up enough to get the brush out, we need to install the new clamp. You need to put the clamps on the metal. You do not want to tighten the brush completely at first. Only tighten the nut finger tight, because shortly we will be adjusting this brush. Now that it is time to align the brush, we need to make sure the edge is not touching the side before we clamp, and we need to also make sure that the clamps are on the metal, not on the brushes themselves. After you get the bolts tight, go ahead and do the other 3 brushes the same way. When you finish with all 4 brushes, you're going to have to go to the front of the equipment and adjust the height so the brushes are barely touching the ground. There is definitely a difference between a new one and an old one. Alright guys, remember, smile while you still have teeth.